My business is not selling homes. It's about relationships. People describe me as a very happy, fun-loving, hard-working realtor. But more importantly, I'm a friend. I grew up with two parents that loved me very much, but couldn't afford a house. They couldn't own anything. So when I decided to own a property at the age of 19, that was a dream that I've had since I was a kid. Thankfully, I was able to own my first home and raise my family in that property. And years after that, I decided to achieve another dream, and that was moving to the Keys. And thankfully, in 1999, we were able to make that dream come true. So I understand the value of owning a property to a family. I love sharing that dream with everyone that I get to meet and hopefully help them achieve the same goal that I did of property ownership. Helping them achieve their dream is the #1 goal. My name is Publio Frank Lazcos, and I help many people accomplish their dreams of home ownership. Let me help you find your spot.